colleagues, it gives me immense pleasure. So today, entire world is celebrating 7th International Day of Yoga. So yoga means, so it has come from Sanskrit word yuj. Yuj means union. It's a group of physical, mental and spiritual practices that originated in ancient India. And there are 4 paths of yoga: Karma Yoga, Kriya Yoga, Bhakti Yoga and Jnana Yoga. The practice of yoga has been taught to date back to pre-Vedic Indian traditions, possibly in the Indus Valley civilization. So, since 2015 onwards, our country also celebrating National Yoga Day, and gradually it is populating entire country and as well as entire world. So, in this connection, I request our Uma Maheshwaran Garu to please proceed the yoga proceedings, sir. Today's proceedings. Thank you, sir. Namaskar.
This practice.
Good morning to everyone. Welcome back to school. I couldn't stop myself till my turn to speak to you all at the end of this program. And I'm very happy to see you all. Many of you have come dressed for the occasion, and others probably you have your own reasons, health reasons or any other thing. But frankly speaking, I thought that whatever arrangements we have made, it will be sufficient.
Because you also would come with your preparations. Maybe a mat.
Sorry, other things if you have. But it appears little, you are all sitting in restricted places. I don't know how many of you will be able to do, but let us do the yogasanas as directed by Uma Maheshwaran sir, as far as possible. And whoever is taking this photograph or something, let it appear like we are really doing it, not simply sitting.
Then sitting asana, then supine posture, and the other breathing practice, that is pranayama, then relaxation. Request those who are comfortable with proper uniform, means your uniform, and others keep yourself away from that place so that others can be able to see them. In your corporate, wherever you are standing and laying down, you should have a sufficient place. So, please stand up, all of you. Before standing up, you have to keep your specs while you are doing yoga. Not now, while doing yoga, while forward bending or backward bending, standing, the specs may displace from your face. So, first Omkar will be there 3 times. Whatever your posture you are sitting, sit comfortably, freely. All of you, please close your eyes. Slow and steady breathing 5 times. Inhale deeply, follow Omkar. asanas. We will have simple exercise. Keep your hands straight. Hold your fist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Both the hands up. Lift your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Now neck exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Now to your right side turning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Now first standing asana, I will show first, then you will do it 2 times. That is Tadasana, keeping legs together. Please don't do it now, afterwards you can do it. 1, 2, 3. Standing on toes according to your balance. Inhalation, exhalation, normal. 4. Come back and relax. 2 times you will do. Starting 1. Inhale. Lock your hands. 2. Exhale. 3. Stand on toes with normal breathing. 4, 5, 6. Let us do again. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. The second one is called Katichakrasana. That is backward bending. Those who are able to do it slowly. Those who are unable to do it, please stand as it is. First I will show you, then you will. That is 1. Then placing your hands back of you like this. Then stretch your body as much as you can. Then up. Very simple posture. After bending back, please close your eyes. Don't open your eyes. Start. 1. Gap between legs. 2. Place the hands. 3. Stretch your body back. 4, 5. Again. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. Relax. Breathing normal. Now standing, one more asana. Trikonasana. Please sit first, then you will do later. Turning to your left side. That is 1. Then turning your left foot left side. Then 3. Bend your body as much as you can towards left side. See your right hand. Then slowly up. Here also how much you can bend, that much only. Don't force your body to bend more. Please. Yes, that's good. Start your left side, all of you. Your left side. One, stretch your legs. Start your left foot left side. Then breathe. bend your left. 3. See your upper hand. 4. Slowly. Then your right. 1. 2. Slowly bend to your right side. See your left hand. 5. Please do it again. To your left. 1. 2. Relax. Stretch your leg. Then Vajrasana. Those who are able to do it can do it. Those that have knee joints sprained, please don't do it. 1. Hold your right leg back. 2. Back straight. 1/2 minute. Close your eyes. Normal breathing. Slowly open your eyes. Stretch your left leg, then right leg. Janu Sirasana. First look at me, then you will follow. Holding right leg. Slowly up. Hands down. Then stretch your right leg, left leg. 1. Then 2. Stretch your hands, pull your body up. 3. 4. 5. 6. First I will show you one asana, that is forward laying down, then you will do it. Okay? First look at me, then you will lay down. First coming to this posture, legs apart, then rest your body toward left or right, your head. That is resting posture or Makarasana. Then coming next posture, that is Bhujangasana, keeping your legs together, hand side of your chest, inhaling, rise slowly, hold it for some time according to your capacity, then breathing out slowly down. Those who are having stomach problem or back pain, please don't do it. Now lay down. Cross your hands, Makarasana. Inhaling both the legs up. 1. Hold it. 1 minute. Close your eyes. Open your eyes, please. Anulom Vilom Pranayama, that is simple pranayama. Please look at me. Holding index finger, middle finger, touch the root of your thumb, that is your right hand. Then last 2 fingers you will be placing towards your left side. Thumb will be placing on your right side nostril. After placing your left side nostril, breathe out slowly through your right. Then after breathing out, close your right nostril, inhale slowly. 5 rounds, that is inhalation, exhalation, you will do it yourself. We'll start. I won't count any number. 1 minute or 2 minutes I will give you. All of you, keep your hands like this. Index finger, middle finger touching the root of your tongue. While doing, please close your eyes. Place your left hand towards left nostril. Close it. Back straight. Very slow, normal breathing. After breathing out, close your right. Inhale through left. After inhalation, close your left. Breathe out through the right. That is 1 round. Now continue 4 rounds. Please walk.
Some methods which will make our lung system strong. And other than that, I think all of you know much more than what we have done here today. Different forms of yoga, their benefits and others. Let us follow it, and let us all of us stay fit, healthy and strong. And this new year is beginning with a lot of preparations. Some of you have already
Get ready for national anthem. National anthem, begin.
नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की
जय।
भारत माता की
जय।
भारत माता की
जय।
मेरा सभी को नमस्कार। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस के अवसर पर मैं आपके समक्ष कुछ योगासन करने जा रहा हूँ। योगासन हमारे शारीरिक विकास एवं स्वास्थ्य के लिए बहुत लाभकारी होते हैं। इन्हें रोजाना करने से हमारा शरीर लचीला एवं निरोग बनता है। मैं सबसे पहले चक्रासन करने जा रहा हूँ। अब ताड़ासन अब वृक्षासन। अब वज्रासन। अब शस्त्रासन। अब मंडूकासन। अब वक्रासन। अब भुजंगासन। अब धनुषासन। अब सेतुबंध सर्वांगासन। अब मयूरासन। अंत में शीर्षासन। धन्यवाद।
Thank you.